Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at All-Star Movies now. All-Star Movies is obviously in the section of Disney World, whereas All-Star, there's 3 resorts here: Movies, All-Star Sports, and All-Star Music. All-Star Movies is themed after surprise movies. So we're going to go in, we're going to take a look and see all the movies. So here we go. We're in the All-Star Resorts now. Now it is Saturday and it is check-in, so it is going to be busy. So first you'll notice the stars, hence All Stars. And they're doing check-in right now. And what I love is the fact that at the check-in desk they have all those Mickey doing the camera and this Pluto doing sound, and you got the movie strips from the Disney shorts. And then what really sets this thing aside is that all 3 resorts are identical. They theme them different, which is great. So the lobbies will feel very similar. They always do this back wall. The mural on the back wall is themed to what the resort is. This one obviously is kind of the red carpet. You got the red ropes, you got the paparazzi, like it's Hollywood. Their merch store is Donald's Double Feature. Now I will tell you, I don't know if that's Huey, Dewey, or Louie, but he got himself in a pickle trying to change those lights. If you've noticed, I just noticed he was changing the light, and that's what he has in his hand. Never noticed that. So merch store is really, really good here. It is Halloween, September, and so we have all the Halloween merchandise out. We've done a lot of videos on that. This is really, really one of the neat lounge flies for the Halloween. It's leather, it's kind of braided leather, pumpkin-like. And there's that shirt we keep talking about. And so that's great. So zoom out a little bit. Okay. And then they do have, which is great, is all the All-Star Sports merch. So all the merchandise is here for All-Stars. I love the fact they have their resort-specific merchandise. They have, I said sports. It's All-Star Resorts. Sorry. We're in All-Star Movies. Some continuation of some of the Halloween merchandise. And what I love is they have things like that, which you can't find anywhere else but here. They have the tie-dye-ish kind of shirts. This tank top's really very cool. But it's only here we've seen it. One of my favorite lounge flies, the monochromatic Mickey with all the faces. And the hand has a zipper pull. That's just extra. So they have, let me say this way. Oh! Inside Out stuff. Now these Inside Out stuffies were the thing when Inside Out 2 came out. Inside Out 1 came out, and then Inside Out 2 came out. Couldn't get them. Now they're all available. Anxiety's there, joy's there, envy's there. They're all there. Disgust is there, sadness, anger, embarrassment. It's all there. So that's just very cool because we love that. And then they do in the back, they have toys and all the Moana merch. But what I was saying was that in the All-Star Resorts, their merch stores are some of the best. Some of the best in all of Disney. It really is pretty impressive. So I just want to show that. So we're going back out through the store. I gotta show you this though. This is the best plan. $75, but look at that. It's huge. Alright, so we're back coming out through the store. Now, every one of the All-Star, all 3 have a store right there. It's all the same kind of format. Everybody has their, now this is the world premiere food court. Now, what's great about the world premiere food court is the food is really good. Food's not kind of good. Food is really good. They got grilled chicken parm, which we've had. Meatball sub is outstanding. The pizza's great. That caprese chicken sandwich right there, one of my favorites. We just got the show-stopping burger. I'm picking that up in a minute. And the pulled pork sandwich here is excellent. So the food, even at the value price point, is off the charts good. They have a mojo chicken, which is just, oh my god, the most moist tender chicken ever. And what they have is each of the food stations is named after a famous theater: the Majestic, Lyric, Grand, Roxy, and Rialto. So you kind of have that whole movie theater feel. And then along the back wall, they have movie posters where they've kind of spun a Disney feel to it. Enchanted for Enchanted and Toon for Tron. But if we go out the back, let's go ahead and do that right now. Out the back, They have their main pool right out the back. So we kind of went through the food court, but if you kept going straight past the store and kind of going down, you end up out here as well. They all have this gigantic star, because why? It's all stars. And this is the Fantasia pool. So they're big. Everyone has a main pool that's themed. Each of the All-Stars. This is the Fantasia pool, and there's Wizard Mickey doing his Wizard Mickey thing. So he's making the water go, like, there you go. And then you guys know these guys. Let me zoom in on this. So there's the brooms that Mickey asked to help out to move the water. And that's awesome. And then where they have the lands, so there's sections of places to stay, and they're themed by section. So it's all going to be movies. So here it is. There's Dalmatians, Mighty Ducks, Fantasia, Herbie the Love Bug, and Toy Story. And they're laid out this way. And then if you look here, here's a map of all three of the resorts and how they're laid out. You'll notice movies is spread out a little more than the others, so there's a little more walking, but the theming is fantastic. So now we're going to go back into the lobby where the star is, and we're going to go back in and take a peek real quick. Show you one more thing that is impressive about Value Resorts. Oh, they'll have a pool bar too. It's a good thing. So let's head in. They'll have an arcade. Now this is a real fun arcade, and what I love about the Value Resorts is these arcades are really well done. They have shooting games, riding games, they have regular pinball, I love that, air hockey. They have the big games, they have the driving games, they have everything here. So it's great, it's a very rich game system. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I was showing you the arcade, and one of the cast members, really nice cast member, came up, and we now found something out we didn't know. At the All-Star Resorts, from 4 to 5, you can play games for free here. So they have a little pass, you can scan and you get to play for free. So, a little tip for Florida Parks After Dark. So this is All-Star Movies. It's great. All-Star Sports obviously is themed for sports, and then All-Star Music is themed for music. Love these resorts. Really a fantastic section. And that is it, guys. You're Florida Parks After Dark. We're here at All Stars. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, you're Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, you know we try to keep you up to date on all things happening at Disney. Well, we're at All-Star Movies, and as you tell in the foreground, you have those yellow barriers, orange barriers. Well, that's because of this. This is the kiddie pool next to the Fantasia pool. It looks like they've completely ripped up the concrete. They're redoing the entire area, and now I will tell you, they just redid this. So for whatever reason, they've redone all the concrete. They got rebar back in. So we'll keep an eye on this and keep you guys up to speed. But they changed all this out, they're redoing it, and they went ahead and they painted the ground here, which is new. They hadn't had this painted before to match the supposed ice in Florida. But so this is a new development as Disney continues to upgrade and improve and do construction. So with that being said, George Florida Parks After Dark, do me a favor, like and subscribe, and guys, have a fantastic day. Take care.